Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? Too. In the same time, all crypto market is very badly dumps down, and there is a chance to Stellar XLM will pumps up, my brother, in upcoming time. In the future is gonna be bright. Let's predicate this one. Let's do technical analysis, and absolutely I will share opinion, and absolutely Abhishek channel will update you. So let's get started a brand video. But kindly holder, please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Hope you understand. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Alright, this time, my brother, the Stellar XLM completely lost. This is the update. You can see here all updates are on the screen. The price, the change occurring, the rank, absolutely, my friend, the market cap, the volume, the circulating supply, the max distribution, my brother, everything. So this time, my brother, the price update is 0.25 USD dollar. BTC price, you can see, my brother, 0.508 USD dollar, and the market rank is 21 now. Cap, you can see, my brother, the market cap 6 billion, and the last 24 hour, my brother, 37,454,1,802 billion, my brother, million. And absolutely this time you can see the change occurring. So the change occur, you can see your last 1 hour is in the profit, but in last 1 day and last 7 days they are completely in the loss now. Supply, circulating supply, you can see 23 billion, and max supply, you can see 50 billion. Distribution, you can see 46.45%. And that's mean this coin this time XRP will completely and the loss now. And what's the main reason, my brother, if I tell you to this time? So let's see, my brother. First of all, I predicate this coin, and at the end, my friend, I will tell you. Let's predicate this coin, my friend. This time Stellar XLM completely and the loss now. All crypto market is very badly dumps down, and absolutely you can see, my brother, at the last arrows you can see are moving upward now. And already, my brother, you see the last 1 hour chart. So in last 1 hour this coin is in the profit because the price is increasing now. So if the price is increasing, so that's mean to this coin is in the profit now. I hope in upcoming time the price will moving upward and this coin is completely in the profit. But my friend, from last 7 days, all coin, my brother, very badly falls down. So try to understand to this time the Stellar XLM condition is very bad, but I hope in upcoming time they will moving upward now. So see you next time, holder. Please, I hope they will give you a very good profit, but you need to hold and absolutely wait for a good time. My opinion is personally, my brothers, for all of you to please hold it. Otherwise, I'm telling you, research personally before you take any decision. So I hope you understand now. So tell me also, my brother, in the comment box your opinion. This is very important for all holder and especially for me also now. Thanks for watching, holder. Hope you understand. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more of this type of updates and new my friend prediction videos. See you next time.